Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I'm your Miss Shanaz, Pakistan Studies teacher. Today our topic is cottage or small scale industry. In this topic today we will share some of the examples of the cottage industry. Cottage industries in Pakistan, we are sharing some of the examples. Carpet industry. Hand knotted rug manufacture is Pakistan's second largest cottage and small industry. Cotton, wool, and synthetic materials are the raw materials required which are produced in Pakistan. Synthetic materials are those materials which are artificial materials, man-made materials. The carpet industry plays a vital role in the economy of Pakistan. It is not only a major earner of foreign exchange for the economy as a whole, but it also contributes to the relief of poverty in rural areas. It is spread all over Pakistan. It is a source of income for families. It provides jobs to 1.5 million people to the country. More than 99% of carpets made in the country are exported. Pakistan is one of the most innovative producers of new designs and varieties of carpets. The carpets industries is located in Lahore, Sheikhupura, Faisalabad, Multan, Sakkar, Mirpur Khas, Tharpakar, Hyderabad, Peshawar, Karachi, Quetta, etc. Second example is leather tanning. Leather tanning industry is an export-oriented industry of Pakistan. The industry comprises of 6 subsectors including tanning leather, garments, gloves, footwear, shoe uppers and leather goods. Tanning industry stands the second largest after textile in contributing to the total foreign exchange earning of the country. Pakistan tannery industry has an estimated production capacity of 90 million square meters. Leather industry is located in Karachi, Hyderabad, Lahore, Kasur, Sialkot, Multan, Sheikhupura, Gujranwala, Peshawar, Swat and many areas of Balochistan. There are around 800 tanneries in the country. Sport goods. Pakistan exports sports goods with US dollar 450 million annually to more than 90 countries. The sport goods industry located in Sialkot is one of the main small industry. In sport goods industry, all products are made with first class design and perfect quality. They are manufactured according to international standard. The product range includes soccer balls, volleyballs, beach balls, exercise balls, cricket balls, hockey balls, baseball, tennis balls, shuttlecocks, nets, gloves, hockey sticks, cricket bats, baseball bats, protective guards, pads, sportswear, etc. More than 200,000 people are directly employed in the sector. Sialkot caters more than 70% of the total world demand for hand-stitched inflatable soccer balls. Some of the world renowned brands sourcing their supplies of sports goods from Pakistan include Adidas, Nike and Puma. Cutlery. The major part of the cutlery industry of Pakistan is clustered in Wazirabad. However, some of the cutlery manufacturers are present in Sialkot, Lahore, Karachi and Dir also. The industry essentially comprises of SMEs. There are over 400 units directly associated with the manufacturing of different cutlery products. Pakistan exports almost US $50 million of cutlery every year. Embroidery and needlework. Embroidery and needlework is one of the largest cottage industry. Not only men but women participate in this activity. Pakistan produces elegant shisha work pieces which have their own importance in needlework traditions. The style of embroidery work varies with each region of Pakistan as each of them produces its own distinctive pieces of this artwork. There are around 900 embroidery companies, out of which 80% work with embroidery for the export market. Embroidery work is also used to decorate all the everyday items from clothes and shoes to bags and mobile pouches bags. Furniture and woodwork is also one of the cottage industry in Pakistan. Shoemaking. The shoe manufacturing industry is one of the ancient industry of Pakistan. Exports footwear to more than 60 countries in 5 continents of the world. Pakistan has an yearly exports of only $110 million footwear. Pakistan produces a wide range of footwear to cater for the needs of a variety of customers, including items for all genders, professions, activities, and specially designed footwear for disabled people also. Pakistan shoemaking industry is located around the city of Lahore, where almost 80% units are located. Other regions include Karachi, Faisalabad, and Multan. Jewelry and bangles. Hyderabad is the hub for Bengal craftsmanship in Pakistan. 32 glass bangles manufacturing units are situated here, out of which 10 are automated. Almost 350,000 people are involved in manufacturing this. Packaging of the transportation of glass bangles, which includes women and children. The hub of jewelry manufacture are Karachi and Lahore. Surgical instruments. Pakistan, the city of Sialkot is very well known, particularly in Europe, for its surgical industry. There are around 2,300 companies engaged in this industry, which produce on average 150 million pieces per year with an estimated value of around rupees 22 billion. The industry directly and indirectly gives opportunities, a lot of job opportunities to the people. Jazakillah beta, I hope that you have understand some of the examples of the cottage industry in Pakistan.